Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Toad. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the face. Let's draw a curve across. And then from both ends, let's curve it down and in, meeting at the bottom in the center. Next, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And then another small oval inside on the top right. And then color the eyes in black. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. And then a larger curve down underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw 2 small lines down and a curve across for the teeth. And then at the bottom, let's draw 2 bumps for the tongue. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's continue the head. Let's start on each side of the head and let's draw a curve out and bring it up. And let's continue it up, curving it in on each side. Now let's hop in and let's draw a large oval at the top in the center. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve down on the left and the same thing on the right. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. On each side, let's draw an angle down for the tops of the shoulders. Then from the end, let's curve it down and out. Now let's hop in and let's draw the other side of the vest with 2 curves. And close off the bottom of each side. Now inside the vest, let's add a border by drawing a curve down and bring it out at the bottom. And that's it for the vest. Now let's add the pants. Let's start in the center and let's draw 2 curves across in between the vest. Now to add the drawstring, let's draw 2 loops down and back up. And then 2 lines down in the center. Now to continue the pants, let's hop underneath each side and let's draw a curve down and in. And then let's curve it in and up, meeting in the center. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw 2 curves down. And 2 on the outside. And then a curve across to close off each foot. And that's it for the lower body. Lastly, let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's move back up to the shoulders and let's draw a curve down. And another set underneath. Now for the hands, let's start on the inside and let's draw a curve down and up. Add a small bump out. Then let's move back up and let's bring it down and curve it in. And that's it for a toad. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!